That's what happens when you fuck with us. You end up to be a dead brown fuck bird.
Swimming with the fishes.
That's what happens when Stevie comes to town. Hey Stevie. You fucking hooer.
That fucking mess.
Oh, we've got a few circling above us. Want some more action?
We've come for the action.
I've come for the action. Hey, it was one of our mates. He's fucked. Which means stay away, you stupid cunts. Oh, live cam. Live cam.
It's going out.
He's fucking.
Oh, so you just winged him. No animals will hurt.
Oh look, he's got. Look, he's only got 1 foot. He's only got 1 fucking leg.
Not bad. He just wanted to warn him.
I'll see the one with 1 leg, bro. Yeah. He's coming round. He's coming round. Yep. He's around by us now. Oh, he's still fucking.
Getting too much meat.